For this assignment, we're going to use Adobe Express to create different button designs. And if you guys submit them by the assignment due date, I will be able to print them out, create your buttons, and mail them to you. So make sure that you create a design that you really like. But I'm going to show you a couple different things that you can use to create these buttons. These are a couple sample buttons that already exist. There's like a school sports thing, some repeating text. I'm going to create an AHCCS button. So I'm going to click on this and like all of this template this toolbar will pop up. This is a super simple way to change your background color on your buttons. You can make it a solid color, you can make it a pattern, whatever you prefer. I'm going to choose like a light-ish yellow, so I'm going to do like a bee theme for this one. And then you can also use some of the other pre-made like design assets for this as well. So I'm going to search like a honeycomb pattern. Something should come up. I'm going to use this style. Just to create like a background on my button. So it came up with the same exact color as my background, so I need to change that so you can see it. It'll be a little bit darker. And that's a nice background pattern. Then I'm going to add my text. I want it to say AHCCS. If you click out of it, you'll be able to move this around using the Move tool. And I am going to make it an arch so that it kind of follows the button shape. And then I'm going to change the text. So I double clicked on that text box and you can change it to whatever text you prefer. I don't really remember what our default text looks like for our school. So I'm going to just pick one that I like. You can try a couple different ones. Whichever one speaks to you is fine. That one's kind of fun. And then I'm going to go back to the Elements tab, and I'm going to search for a bee. Since our icon is a bee, I'm going to choose this one with the fancy wings. Oops, and I'm dragging something underneath it. So I made a mistake, and in order to undo your mistake, you're going to hit Control-Z and it will take you back. So I clicked out and I'm going to re-click in. I'm going to make this be a lot smaller, and I'm going to change the color to something much darker so you can see it. Like a dark yellow is great. So that's super simple but pretty effective, and if you wanted to make your font bigger, you're just going to drag. And that's a really simple design. And I think that would make a pretty cute button. So you're just going to follow that process for the 3 other buttons on your template. If you want to use AI for one, you definitely can, but this is to help you get acquainted with some of this toolbar and stuff, so make sure that you design at least one without AI.